Good morning, my dear children. Yesterday we studied about CSV files. CSV files are comma separated value files and they use a special structure or a specific structure to arrange tabular data, and it have a plain text, and text can be in either ASCII or in Unicode. This is the structure of the CSV file. CSV files are normally created by programs which handle large amount of data, and CSV files are very easy to work, and any language that supports text file input and string manipulation like Python can work with CSV files. Now we use reader function to read data from a CSV file, and in Python, CSV file will open as a text file and by using a open function. And suppose we have a CSV file name, comma department, comma birthday, comma month, and the first line shows the column names, and the second row shows the values, row 1, row 2. Then first if you want to write the program or want to read data from a text by a CSV file, first of all we will import CSV file, then we open a file with function, and then we use a reader function to read data from the file. In this program we use reader to read data from the file, and we use the delimiter comma. Then as the data from the file is stored in CSV underscore reader variable, so to display that data from CSV underscore reader variable, we use the for loop. For row in CSV underscore reader, then if line underscore count is equals to 0, print column names or join rows, and then increment the line underscore count variable. Else print row 1, row 1 works in the row 1 department and was born in this department. Then increment the count. So this is the output. The column names are name, department, birthday, month, and the values are John Smith works in the accounting department. We have written here this like row 0 means first row, then we have put the string in it, works in the row 1, then department, and was born in row 2. So we have output will be John Smith works in the accounting department and was born in number. Same way it shows the second row also, Erica Mayers works in the IT department and was born in March. Now process 3 lines. How many lines it processed? It gives the output. Count the line and display. Now writing CSV files with CSV. You can also write CSV files using a writer object and the write underscore row method. For writing data into the CSV file, first of all import CSV file, then open that file with open function with function. Then we have with open employee underscore file dot CSV, and we have open the file in write mode as employee underscore file. Then we write data into the, first of all we use the writer object to write data into the CSV file. We have taken employee underscore writer equals to CSV dot writer, and we are writing employee underscore file comma delimiter is a comma, then quit care is double quotes, quitting CSV comma quit underscore minimal. Now then write data into the file by using a write row method. Employee underscore write and writer dot write row, and then we write John Smith accounting November. Same way we have written the second row also. Now the quit_char optional parameter tells the writer which character to use quits. Means if you want to enclose the character in a quits, then which character you want to use for quits, either single quits or double quits or triple quits. Whether quitting is used or not, you can also mention that it's an optional. If you will not give the quit_char parameter, then it does not print that in double quits, or quitting is not necessary. Now if quitting is set to csv dot quit underscore minimal, then dot writer row will quit fields only if they contain the delimiter or the quit_char. This is the default case. Means if you set quit underscore minimal, then they quit only those fields which are contained in the delimiter. If quitting is set to csv dot quit underscore all, then dot writer row will quit all fields. If quitting is set to csv dot quit dot non-numeric, then dot write row will quit all fields containing text data and convert all numeric fields to the float data type. Now if quitting is set to csv dot quit underscore none, then dot writer row will escape delimiters instead of quitting them. In this case, you also must provide a value for the escape char optional parameter. Thank you.